Brown's Distribution started in 1955. It was my granddad that started the company. I've known nothing else other than this business from a very young age. I've been told this morning, it was 7 years old, you know, when some of the longest guys that were working here were telling me.
David used to come with his mother them days. His dad would bring him occasionally on a Saturday down and walk him round the yard, and I think it was the interest he got in the customers, because Brown's had a lot of customers, and especially Stoke-on-Trent.
And you know, reflecting back on those other elements of the business, being so involved and ingrained in it from such a young age, I can very quickly see the way in which we can improve service very quickly. Heritage hasn't really changed the core service offering of what we do. We still move freight, we still run vehicles.
Drivers, if you talk to a lot of drivers, they get a bug and it's in them. And I think that's what got into David Jr. He was born with it, and that was it, and it was there.
The Staffordshire element of what we do is vital. It gave us our bedrock in the beginning to grow our infrastructure. We served the pottery industry for many, many years. My granddad, you know, he started out, it was moving, you know, either the clay or the slip or finished goods. We still today move the majority of Stoke-on-Trent pottery.
It was amazing what they did. Plus technology. That was a big part with Brown, technology.
But what we are able to do is bolt that onto some super cool IT infrastructure advances and changes, tie that into the fundamental of moving freight, and then that's how we're able to give an over and above service to our customers.
I started here as a driver. Used to go out doing driving, nights out, the lot. I respect Mr. Albert Brown, I respect him. David Senior, definitely respect him. And David Junior, he's coming on. No, he's very good actually. He is very good.
We operate for some of the UK's leading manufacturers. Behind me right now, we're storing a lot of finished pottery goods. We have a lot of raw material in here as well. So that, you know, the heritage of what we do, vaulted alongside, working alongside the new innovative type of customer as well, really allows us to set ourselves apart from our competition, and we do leave them standing a lot of the time.
Well, drivers at Brown's, they've come and gone, but they always finish up coming back again. I've learned today that there's been one gone for years, and I've been told today that such a body's working here again. And that's how they are at Brown's. It's got to be good from keep coming back.
What we're able to do is provide you with a service that is far above any of our competitors. We know where our competitors draw the line, we accelerate that. We're able to offer services from pallet distribution right the way through to end user delivery, warehousing, fulfillment, e-commerce. If you have a challenge on a particular day or you want to onboard a new client, we'll work with you on that. Our customer service team are equipped, we're ready, and we want to deliver your goods.